was originally planning to do like a reaction video of us coming to this Airbnb rental and like seeing it for the first time. Things didn't go as planned. Tony actually came here first to get a key fob to go downstairs, get the car, park it, and then get me. And I don't know, I think because we were both tired, jet-lagged and stuff, he was a little grumpy, and well, it was a very stressful evening, let's just say. We didn't have a great day. So I didn't film what I originally planned to film, basically like a, you know, apartment tour of this rental, and I guess I'm gonna film it today. I'm currently looking at the view from the living room, but there's even better view from the bedroom, and it's insane. We have balcony door open, and it's crazy how amazing the weather is, and like just oh my god, I'm so excited. Warm, I think it's like around 80, and there's like amazing breeze. It's so beautiful, and the water is just like turquoise blue. It's just incredible. Okay, so now I'm gonna give you guys a tour of our Airbnb rental here in Hawaii. Here's the front door, as you can see. We keep our shoes here, and here is our little kitchen. We have fridge, some Keurig, sink, stove, microwave, pretty much everything we need. So it's pretty convenient. They left us some pots and pans. Here they even left us some, what's here? Oh yeah, some coffees, teas. We have silverware right here. Even chopsticks, how nice. It's not like I use them, but we have also mugs, and yeah, we have everything we need pretty much here. Yeah, so it's pretty convenient to have that. That's why we actually decided to go with the Airbnb instead of a hotel. Not just because it was cheaper, but also because it was just a lot more convenient. We actually had dinner last night here, which was pretty nice and cozy after a long flight. You just want to, you know, chill. The best part of this rental is obviously the view. Whenever we come back to this apartment, we just look at the balcony here, and it just, the view is just so spectacular. Here is our living room. In the evenings, we just sit on this couch right here. It's a pretty big couch. Yeah, it has everything we need, and we have TV over there. With internet, and now we have a little bathroom here. Yeah. Yeah, this whole unit was recently renovated, so it's super clean. It's lots of towels. We do need to get more shower gel because I didn't pack enough, so yeah. Now, moving on to the bedroom. Here is our nice, comfortable, spacious bed and amazing view again. We even have TV here, but we didn't use it and we are not planning to use it. But yeah, it's a nice and cozy space. We can open the windows if we want. We have AC. Yeah, we have also a closet here with some iron, and yeah, we have space for our luggage here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty nice space. We are on the 32nd floor, so and we pretty much have view on like 3 sides of the island, which is nice. It's nice. It's really gorgeous. So that's it for this little Airbnb apartment tour. Now we're gonna head to the beach and enjoy this beautiful weather. Forgot to mention, we paid $160 per night for this place, and I think $200 or $300 for cleaning. Yeah, so it was pretty affordable. Unfortunately, they already raised prices. It was a new listing, but considering all the hotels here are like $200 to $400 for like the cheapest rooms, like this is amazing. Yeah, pretty good deal.